Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this session, we learn formula method in the quadratic equation, and this is the standard quadratic equation. Formula says minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So, we will take one of the question here. This is the question from NCERT. So, this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c which is equal to 0. So, what is a here? A is 2 coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x minus 7, c. And what is c? C is nothing but the constant. Write the formula here. Formula always carries marks. B square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Just substitute the values. This negative, don't forget, don't take directly minus 7. This is minus of minus 7. So that is the formula having the negative, and this is the negative sign of the b here. B square is minus 7 square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a. A is 2 and x is minus into minus plus 7 plus or minus 7 square is 49 minus it is 24 divided by 4. So what we will get here? X is equal to 7 plus or minus root 25 divided by 4. X is equal to plus 7 plus or minus root 25, we get 5 divided by 4. Now, x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4 or x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. This case 12 by 4, 3 is a, so x is equal to 3 or x is in this case how much we get? 7 minus 5, 2 by 4, half. So x is equal to half. Same answer we'll get even in the formula method. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. From NCERT, the formula method. So we can take here, this is of the format ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, c is the constant. Apply the formula here. X is minus 1 plus or minus, this is 1 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 4 divided by 2a, 2 into 2 because a is 2. So what we will get? X is minus 1 plus or minus, this is 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 16 into 2, 32. So plus 32 divided by 4. X is minus 1 plus or minus root 33 by 4. Therefore, x is minus 1 plus 3 root 33 by 4 or x is minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. If you recall, in the completing the square also we reach the same answer. So, we can rewrite this. X is equal to, you can leave it as it is, or if you want you can write root 33 minus 1 by 4 or x is taking the negative sign common root 33 plus 1 by 4. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this question, using formula method, here a is 4, b is 4 root 3 coefficient of x, c is 3. Apply the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. X is minus 4 root 3, plus or minus root of 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 4, c is 3 divided by 2 into a. Now, x is minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root of b square is 4 root 3 square. So, 4 root 3 square is 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. So, 4 4s are 16. Root 3 into root 3 will give you 3. So, we get 48 here. So, we write the same thing here. 48 minus, this is 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48 divided by 8. This whole thing will give us 0, root 0 by 8. So, ignore it. So, we get 4 root 3 by 8. This will go, this will give you 2, which is minus root 3 by 2 we are going to get, because it is a quadratic. You write the value twice. So, this is called, we are getting equal roots. So, x is minus root 3 by 2 or x is minus root 3 by 2. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. This is question from NCERT exercise 4.3. So, we have given this much. So, we have to take the LCM. Nothing is there. 1 will be there. So, x into 1. X is my LCM. 1 into x. So, x goes here. X square minus 1. This is equal to 3. So, x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. So, we arrange it. X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. This will be our quadratic equation. Now, using which we start solving by the formula method. So, take here a will be 1, b is minus 3, c is minus 1, x is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Just substitute the values here. Minus b is minus 3, so minus of minus, plus or minus b square, so minus 3 whole square, 4 into 1 into minus 1. See, substitute the values. So, x is plus 3 plus or minus 9 plus 4. This will give you 2. So, what we will get the value of x here? X is equal to 3 plus or minus, this will be 13 we get. Divided by 2. So, x is 3 plus root 13 by 2 or x is 3 minus root 13 by 2. That will be the answer we get here. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this question, we take the LCM here, which is x plus 4 into x minus 7. So, x plus 4 get cancelled, x minus 7 goes here, minus of x minus 7 goes x plus 4. So, whenever negative is there or you have the binomial, always use the bracket. Otherwise, we make the mistake on the sign. X minus 7, this will be minus x minus 4 divided by x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28, which is equal to 11 by 30. So, here xx will go. This will give me minus 11 divided by x square minus 3x minus 28, which is equal to 11 by 30. So, we can cancel minus 11 into 30 divided by 11. This is x square minus 3x minus 28. 11 we cancel. We get minus 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. So, this can be written as x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So you can solve this by formula method or by the normal factorization method. Anything can be done in this. We will do both the things here and we will see what we will get. So this is A is equal to 1, B is minus 3, C is equal to 2. X is minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. So X is equal to minus of minus 3 plus or minus 3 square minus 4 into A into C divided by 2 into A. X is 3 plus or minus 9 minus 8 divided by 2. X is 3 plus or minus root 1 by 2. Here X is equal to 3 plus root of 1 is 1 plus or minus by 2. So X is 3 plus 1 by 2 or X is 3 minus 1 by 2. So just solve it, we reach the value of X here. So X is equal to 4 by 2 or X is equal to 2 by 2. 2 2s are, this is 1. X is equal to 2 or X is equal to 1. So suppose if we are not doing with the formula method, even we can do with the normal factorization. Whenever we cannot get by factorization, we go using the formula method. So we ended up here, this is, we got minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 1s are 2 plus 2 we want, middle term is minus 3 we want. So if I take minus 2 into minus 1, I will get plus 2 product and on adding this will be minus 3. So x squared can be written as minus x minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 1 minus 2 x minus 1 0. So x minus 1 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So now you just equate because product is 0. One of them must be 0 to get the product 0. So either x minus 1 is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.